Good morning students. Last class I taught you subtraction exercise. Next listen, mental max. Kamal fixed 56 tube lights in a party hall. Okay, if 18 tube lights were fused, okay, then how many tube lights were used? Okay, totally 56 tube lights. Okay, total tube lights are 56. In that 56 from 18 tube lights were fused. Okay, that the 18 are unused. Now what's your question? Then how many tube lights were used? Okay, used tube lights now we will find out. Same 56 tube lights from 18 tube lights are fused. Okay, so this one unused. So how many tube lights are used? So that is find out. Okay, mom. Now 6 from 8 we can't subtract. So what you do? Get the borrow from the tens place. So 110 get here. So 10 plus 6, 16. Okay. Here 5 from 110 given here. So what happened here? 4. Okay. Now this is not 6, 16. This is not 5, 4. Okay. Now this 16 minus 8. Okay. So in this case, this 8 after 16 much we want to count. So 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So what answer? 8. Okay. Now 4 minus 1. So 4 minus 1 what answer? 4 minus 1? 3. Okay. So how many tube lights are used? 38 tube lights are used. So here take and write the answer 38 tube lights. Okay ma? See the second sum. A factory produced 95 cars in a day. Okay. How many cars were unsold if 37 were sold? Okay. See, a factory produced 95 cars. Okay. In one day. One day a factory produced 95 cars. In that one day, how many cars are sold? 37 cars are sold. Okay. Now what's your question? How many cars were unsold if 37 sold? 37 sold means how many cars are remaining? Okay. That one your question. Okay. Now we will find out that one. See ma, 95 cars from 37 cars are sold. So how many cars are remaining? So how many cars are unsold? Now we will find out. So 5 from 7 is not possible. So what you do? Get the borrow from the tens place. So we will get 15 here. Here 8. As usual this process. Okay. Now 7 after 8. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. So what answer? 8. Okay. Next 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3 what answer? 5. Okay. So how many cars are unsold? 58 cars are unsold. Okay. So second question answer is 58 cars are unsold. Okay. 58 cars are unsold. Next see the third question. Kumar walked 23 steps out of 90 steps to reach a shop. How many more steps he has to walk to reach the shop? Okay. Seema, Kumar want to go the shop. Okay. That shop distance is 90 steps. He walked 23 steps. Still how many steps go means he reached the shop. That is your question. Okay. Sima 90 steps from only he walked 23 steps. Okay. Still how many steps want to go? That is your question. See 90 minus 23. See the ones place 0 minus 3. So 0 is a small number, 3 is a big number. So get the borrow from the tens place. Okay. So 110 get means here 10, here 8. Now 10 minus 3 what answer? 10 minus 3 7. Now 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2 what answer? 6. Okay. So still how many steps he go? Walk means go to the shop. 67 steps. Seema 67 steps he walked means to reach the shop. Okay. Next see the fourth question. Kamali had 31 rupees with her. She bought a pen for 15 rupees. Okay. Kamali had how many rupees? 31 rupees. That 31 rupees from she bought a pen. Okay. What is the cost of pen? That is 15 rupees. Okay. She saved the remaining amount. Find the amount saved by her. Okay. See 30 rupees, 31 rupees she has. That 31 rupees from only she bought 15 rupees. Okay, only she bought a pen for 15 rupees. Okay, definitely she has the remaining amount. That remaining amount she saved. Okay, mom. Now saved amount we want to find out. See this sum. 31 rupees from 15 rupees subtract. Okay, now 1 from 5 is not possible, so get the borrow. Okay, borrow means here 11, here 2. Now 11 from 5, what answer? 11 from 5, 6. Okay, this 5 after 11 much counter? 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So what is the answer? 6. 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. So 31 minus 15 is equal to 16. Remaining she has 16 rupees. Okay, so find the amount saved by her means what is the answer? 16 rupees. Okay, so 16 rupees saved. Kamali saved how many rupees? 16 rupees. See the next sum. In a class of 42 students, 26 are girls. How many are boys? Okay, see in a class, boys plus girls is equal to how many? 42. Okay, boys and girls strength is 42. Girls strengths are given. Okay, how many girls? 26 girls. Okay, so find the boys strength. Okay, mom. So what you do, this total from this 26 you subtract. Subtract means we will get the boys strength. Sima 42 minus 26. Total strength from girls strength subtract means we will get the boys strength. Okay, so 2 minus 6 is not possible. So what you do, get the borrow from the tens place. So here 12, here 3. Okay, this process as usual. Okay, now this 12 from 6 subtract. 6 after 12 much count. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So what is the remainder? 6. Now 3 minus 2. So 3 minus 2 what answer? 1. Okay, so what is the boys strength? 16. So how many boys? 16 boys. Okay, 16 boys and 26 girls. Total strength is 42. So here what is the answer? 16 boys. How many are boys means what is the answer? 16 boys. Okay, mom. Okay, thank you. Next class we will see.